This is how I made this melody. I think it's the lead that does it for me in this one. First things first, you're gonna wanna make sure that your MIDI is the right color. I start off with this pad and it's basically just like, that's the melody there. But then I duplicated it and I just like use the same notes essentially, but just change them around a little bit. Then I just copied the MIDI from the pad and I added this FM, it's an E piano. So this next section, just in Serum, I just like added a sine wave and then I just turned on mono legato and the glide time is 2 milliseconds.